What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today's setup is completely different. We are in the bathroom where I'm gonna clean all these brushes. Today, with cleaning the brushes, we're not gonna be cleaning it with just an ordinary brush cleaner. We're cleaning it with the Farmacy cleanbee cleanser. This is a facial cleanser, y'all. So this is a facial cleanser, and I did reach out to Farmacy on Instagram and asked them, hey, can you use this as a brush cleaner? Because I could have sworn I seen on BoxyCharm's Instagram that they had used this product to clean their brushes, and I didn't feel like going to buy like an actual brush cleaner. So when they gave me the okay, like, yeah, you can brush, or you can, when they told me the okay, I'm like, yeah, you can clean your brushes with this facial cleanser, I was like, what? Are you serious? So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna see how it performs. And I also have the BH Studio Pro brush cleanser. It's just a little rubber kind of thing to clean your brushes. You slip your finger through there and clean it. So that's what we're gonna be using today. I got that in my BoxyCharm as well. But sorry, I'm out of breath, y'all. I am getting bigger and pregnancy-wise, and I have been losing my breath. So let's go ahead and just get started with the video with cleaning my makeup brushes. Okay, hopefully the lighting is good. I set my ring light kind of right behind me and stuff. So I'm gonna run some water. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some of this. I'm gonna wet it. And I'm using the Farmacy cleanbee facial, the Ultra Gentle facial cleanser. And then let's take a pink brush. It's not supposed to be pink, so. And let's go in. And I'm just swirling this around. And it has the bubbles and stuff. Let's see what my brush looks like. Oh yeah, that works, y'all. No more pink, it's clean. Dang, y'all. Yeah, it's completely clean. Okay, and I'm gonna put it to the side. I have a napkin here and I'm putting all my clean brushes to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and just record the rest of this. I'm gonna go ahead and record the rest of this on like a time lapse, kind of speed through it and play some cool music, and let's clean these brushes. Okay, y'all, so I can say that using the Farmacy cleanbee facial cleanser as a brush cleanser is bomb. Like, it has the right amount of like bubbles in it, and it cleans your brushes super duper fast. And then I have my brushes, as you can see here, all lined up. I don't have where they can have the bristles pointing down, But this is what I have for now. Put it on the napkin, let it dry for like overnight. And then hopefully by tomorrow I can do a makeup look and post it for you guys. So yeah, I really like this. This cleanser from BH was super easy to clean my brushes. Yeah, so if you enjoyed today's quick, simple video on how to clean your brushes, because I need these to do some eye makeup looks and stuff. So yeah, just give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I'll be posting a lot more and everything like that for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.